I'm Stanley, and for today's provider tip, I'm going to be showing you how to make duck and beef braised stew. It's a family favorite and a personal favorite because the leftovers make the most delicious personal pot pies.
Prep your duck and beef by cutting into cubes. Trim the fat from the beef and set aside. To make your stock, add shallots, garlic, and herbs into a hot pan with some olive oil. Cook for about 4 minutes, then pour in 4 cups of beef stock, 2 cups of red wine, and let simmer. Sear the beef chunks in olive oil and season with the Brit, made by the provider, and Fowl, made by the provider. About 1 minute per side is plenty, then pour into the slow cooker. Use the fat trimmings to cook your duck. Once they're melting, sear your strips. Season well with Fowl. By now your stock should be nice and reduced and ready to add. Chop a few handfuls of your favorite vegetables. We're using leek and potatoes with a fall medley, but use your favorites. Into the slow cooker, and if you'd like, add some extra herbs. Top up with broth, then sprinkle on some more provider rub. 6 hours on low, and you'll have a stew that melts in your mouth. To step it up a notch, pour your leftovers into some dough in muffin tins and bake at 375. For step-by-step instructions on this recipe, spices, and to pick up your copy of the cookbook, come check us out at theproviderlife.com.